Mr. Wheat, you filed your case because you claim
Mr.
you've
Wheat.
been robbed as a father. You are desperate to prove to the defendant that you fathered her 19-year-old daughter,
19-year-old,
Sierra Sloan,
what?
and once you do, you want to make up for lost time. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Grider, you say, as much as you would like the plaintiff to be your daughter's biological father, facts are facts, and he isn't her dad. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Sloan, you say you are the victim in this paternity chaos and deserve to know who your dad is. Is
Yes,
that
Your
correct?
Honor.
So, Mr. Wheat, you testify that you were robbed as a father. Explain.
Yes, Your Honor. I believe she is mine. So I want her to make up for all the lost time so she can meet her sisters.
And so what does it feel like knowing that you may have missed 19 years
19
of your
years,
daughter's
a long
life?
time.
It's hurtful, very hurtful.
Do you think about all of the times of her life you've missed, the important moments?
Yes, Your Honor.
Explain.
School, trips, you know, being a family, you know, that I missed out on.
All right. Ms. Grider, so you say, unfortunately, as much as you would like your daughter to be Mr. Wheat's biological child, you just say she is not.
Right.
Explain
Your
to
Honor.
the court why you are so certain.
Because I was 19, I was young, dumb, and full of eggs, and I was doing me.
Young, dumb, and full of eggs and doing me. I don't think I've ever heard it explained like that.
That's a crazy answer.
Okay. And so, Mr. Wheat, tell me the nature of your relationship with Ms. Grider. How did you meet? How did the relationship begin? Tell the court.
I met her back when I was in high school. Well, we lost contact for a little while, and then I ran into her at a club called Texas Nightlife, and kind of had a one-night stand. And I don't know how many more months later, I found out she was pregnant. Her friend of hers come up to me and says, "How does it feel that you're about to be a dad?"
Really?
Oh, what?
And so did you confront Ms. Grider?
Yes. Well, didn't confront her. We talked about it. She goes, "Yes, there is a possibility that you are our father."
So, Ms. Grider, that's different from your testimony earlier. Do you remember that conversation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh,
So
why was she lying?
why did that change for you?
Because she started to get darker and everything, and
So how many guys were you with during the window of time your daughter was conceived?
4.
4 different
Well, I think when I was 15, my mom said that I looked like David because apparently me and him have the freckle line. And then I would sit there and smile sometimes the way he did and lay down the way he did and everything. So she kept on telling me that these could be the possibilities, and I just had to live with it until today. I'm trying to figure out who my dad is.
Understood. So when Sierra was born, you were there.
Yes, ma'am. I was in the doctor.
Signed the birth certificate.
Yes, ma'am.
You named her.
Yes, ma'am. After a Chevy truck.
See, that wasn't me.
Still a beautiful name, Sierra. So, Mr. Wheat, I see this court.
Is he the father?
Mr.
Who is the
Grider.
father?
You are not the father.
Oh, what? He's not the father. What? That's really,
I'm very
really
sorry,
bad.
Mr. Grider.
I still love her no matter what.
We're all still a happy family.
Oh, no.
And Seth is just hurting her because she's